Hey there, welcome to this demo video. So today I'm going to show you how you can automate your number into our system and be able to get more views on your WhatsApp status. So just to give you a clue of what is the number automation it means that when you automate your number to our system, each and every time any VCF it's created or anyone creates a VCF in our system, your number will always be there. And as you know, we have over 30,000 VCF in our system. So it means that anytime someone creates a VCF or any VCF is generated from our system, your number will always be there. And once you automate your number, you have a customized dashboard where you can see all the VCF that have been created. You can download them, you can import them, you can download the PDF. You can also confirm whether your number is there before you import. You can do everything. And today I'm going to show you how you can automate your number into our system and be able to get more views on your WhatsApp status, which for sure most of the people have been, wanting that. And without wasting time, let's get into it. So the website is called viewsincrease.com. So that is our website. And as you can see from the search history, I had searched it. So you can just go ahead and search viewsincrease, viewsincrease.com. Sorry. So this is the website. So once you come here, this is the first website. So it's crashing my internet there. So this is the first website and our website. So you just click on it. I just want to make the video very short because it's a simple process. All right. Oh, my internet today has some issues, guys. You have to bear with me. So let me refresh. Let me refresh. Right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So yeah, I think my pro it's crashing. You see, unresponsive exit page. Some more loading very slowly, very slow. Let me search it again. Let me search it again. So I just go direct to the website. Here we go. So this is the website, and once you reach to this page, it's the landing page, and if it's your first time, just click get started here. But if you have been using our website, you just log into your account. But since I want to demonstrate this from start to the end, I have to create a new account and show you guys how to go about it. So let's get started very fast. So here we go. You can just choose this one. The username, you put the username you want. 456. Let's yeah. So I want to put 12. Then my number there very fast. 459. Right. Then password. Let me put a simple password. All right, so I think everything's okay. So I just have to master the username. I have to know the username I use or email. So I'm using Lewis456. Then yeah, that's the credentials I will be able to use to log in. Either you use your username or email, then you have to know your password, of course. Let's register, of course, very fast. There we go. Direct it to login, and boom, we are here. So Lewis456. Then we have our password. No. Our password was 4 digits. Lewis 456. I don't know whether yeah. So there we go, man. All right, simple process it is. So once you come to this place, you can see your username there. It's a simplified dashboard, as you can see. But we have these two buttons. Just leave alone this. Maybe if you want to create your VCF for your people, you can create it. But for this video, I'm talking about automating your number, and this is a premium process, not premium. You have to choose a premium plan. I'll show you in a few. So you can see we have these two buttons here. You have automation for your for more views, and you have manage your automated number. Of course, we haven't automated any number. Once you click this one, you will be taken to a page where you are being told there is no premium number found. You go and automate. So but let's go back. Since it's your first time, you have to click this one. You see, it's a new feature. We rolled it out just the other day. So you click this. All right, once you click here, you'll be directed to a page where you'll be explained on how it works and how you're going to go about it. We are calling it a status boost. This new feature, we just roll it. So here you see some very well explanation. So there we go. There you can watch the demo. The demo video is the one you are watching right now. If you just click this button, this is the video I will upload is there. But we can also have the, if you don't want to watch the demo video, you can also uh, you know you just see this well is illustrated with I mean with the screenshot. So this is the first step. You set up everything, then you have the second step. Once you click the pay with M-Pesa. And just to mention one thing, this automation, the automated payment method is for only Kenyans. We are using the M-Pesa gateway payment, M-Pesa Express. So it will only be working for uh, Kenyans only. But we'll be rolling out another payment for the international guys. So, but if you are not from Kenya, you can just contact me directly. I'll automate your number. You are going to pay manual. I'll show you that the button where you're going to put my number on WhatsApp. You can contact me on WhatsApp. So, as you can see here, this is the step one. Step two, as you can see here, the payment's being processed. You're given the reference for your payment. Then after you complete your payment with the phone, this is what you see, and the amount you've paid, the number you paid with, and the receipt, of course, for your payment in case you need to check it. And this is what you'll be seeing after your number is automated. Yeah, and this is where you'll be able to access all VCFs I just said when the video was starting. So yeah, there we go. Then if in case you want to pay manually, you just come to this button, and after clicking on this, you'll be directed to my WhatsApp. I can automate your payment. You can use any Binance, you can use any another international payment for people who are not in Kenya. So, but since I'm demonstrating for the automated part, I want to show you and pay for one of my numbers to be automated and show you how it works. Just to make the video short and simple, let's click on this start boosting button. So you click there. All right. Now, when you come to this place, you put your name, because the name you use, the Lewis. You can use Lewis 44. So this is how your name will always be appearing in each and every VCF, but you can edit later. So let's put our number there. The number, this is the number you want to upgrade. The number you want to be always in each and every VCF. Can be Airtel number, can be Telcom, can be Safaricom. But now for the payment here, you are going to put a Safaricom number, because only Safaricom numbers can receive the SDK push or the message or the prompt, whichever we call it. So let me just put my number very fast. All right, so we can just copy it. Then, because it's still the same number, it's an M-Pesa number. So, and of course, you see the number has been verified. So you have to start your number with 0. But of course, I'll make the system, to accommodate anything. But in the meantime, you can start with 0, or you can also not start with 0. Yeah. So, but there we go. Of course. So for this, I'm going to use this one. I'm using this one because we are on offer. We are only giving this plan free for the first 3 people, and of course you have one guy, you also have another guy, so it's only three first people, and this is 1 shilling. Of course, it's just like we're giving it free, just that we want to be the process to be automated. At least the user pays something, you see, for his number to be automated automatically. All right, now we are going to test with this one. So if you're watching this video, of course, this amount, the first month plan is 100 bob, and you can subscribe to other plans, but let's test with this one. Yeah, so once you select it, you see it changes to a green, then the radio is ticked. So all right, now once we confirm everything is okay, you just click this um, proceed to M-Pesa payment, and let me just keep my phone near so that I'm going to receive the SDK push or the prompt for from M-Pesa, guys. So let me confirm again, everything is okay. All right, everything is okay, the number it's okay. Right, let's click this one and wait for the SDK push in a few. All right, there we go. Let me put my pin there to complete the payment. So all right, in a few, I just entered my pin. There we go. Everything is okay, as you can. All right, now we have made our payment and everything is okay. So you can see our payment was verified. So your premium number is now active. So the amount you paid and everything and the receipt you did, everything here, as you can see, guys. So here you can view that. You can view now the premium number. You remember the time we tried to view the premium number or the automated number, it is said that there is no number found. It said something like that. So but now let's check, since we have already paid for one of our numbers to be automated in this system. So let's see, let's click it. There we go. As you can see, Lewis 44, the number, the plan, the amount he paid, and the status, of course, the number is active, and the expiry date. But in case if you made mistake, if you are seeing a number not working well, you can edit, and if you decide to delete it, you can delete it, of course. Yeah, so there we go. But I want to show you one thing, and that is now how are you going to be accessing the VCF, since your number has been automated everywhere in each and every VCF will ever be created? How are you going to know that? So how are you going to access the VCF so that you'll be downloading them and importing them? So let me show you. So right now you will find that our dashboard has added button. Since we have our number here automated, you'll find there is another button in our dashboard that has been added. So let's go back to the dashboard. Just click here. All right, let's see. We have this button, your premium VCFs. So for this one, you just click here. You remember this button was not there initially, but once you paid, the button appeared. That's how the system has been programmed. So once you click here, let's see. There we go. You see, and here the VCF. You can just download the one. You can download the PDF if you want to check the names inside it. And you can download the PDF here, not PDF but VCF. Then boom, there the VCF has been downloaded, as you can see. Or out of my PC is out of space. I'm using a USB, a certain USB there. So but you can download it, and you see this VCF is so, there's a lot of contacts. Like, I mean, 1474, it's a lot of contacts, and there are more. Headless. As you can see where we are, just keep scrolling, keep scrolling. We have a lot of VCFs here. So yeah, let's go back to the dashboard. That's how you go. Then later on, you can manage your VCFs here. Yeah, we have a lot of them here. So I mean, you can manage your premium numbers, as you can see here. So I think one question people will always ask is that, how do I know the number is included to each and every VCF? So like, for example, just try to create a VCF, just a dump VCF, just a VCF, to know whether your number will be always be included to each and every VCF. So just test this. Let's call this one test. No, because test, no, test number, something like that. Then the VCF, you can say RR, and we leave everything by default. We are not going to put anything here in this WhatsApp link, because we're just testing. So we want to know whether we want to know whether there is a VCF. I mean, we want to know whether our number is being automated, the number we just paid for it. So, and this is how you can know. And as you know, people always use this system. This is how people create VCF in our system. So you want to know how and whether our number is automated. So let's click here. I think everything is okay. It's just a test. We are going to delete it, this VCF. So let's create it. Boom, we created our first VCF. As you can see, we have 14 contacts here. So you can check on them. You can view and see, is it okay? Is it true? And as you can see here, our number being the first one here has been included. This is the suffix, the suffix we just put in to be always be included in the VCF. So yeah, and that's how you know it. I hope you got a complete demo demonstrating everything and how it works. The system will be having the international payment soon. Maybe we'll be using crypto or another means, maybe Paystack and maybe or Flutterwave. But for the Kenyans, this is the automation demo I have, and we'll keep working. So like you might be watching this in 2027, so I'll keep maintaining the system. And since these are needed stuff by people, yeah, and keep using viewsincrease.com to create your VCF and tell people to upload their numbers in your VCF, then you give them. So, but if you are a business person who needs to grow his or her VCF very fast, I mean not VCF but WhatsApp status views, make sure you subscribe to this feature. It has been requested by a lot of people. Many people have been requesting for it, and I decided, why don't I just give them? So hope you guys had the very good demo. Just as I simplified it. And in case you have any question, make sure to leave a comment, and don't forget to give a like, subscribe. Yeah, I think right now as I'm recording this video, we are over 1,000 subscribers on this channel. Keep subscribing, guys. See you in the next one. In case you have any feature to be added, you have very good feature you need to be added to this site, always feel free to comment, or you can contact me, you can email me, and we have a lot of ways you can get in touch with me. You can follow my social media handles, and have a nice one. See you in the next one, guys. Boom.